Claire, partner and marketing expert at Fine & Country Rugby. Traditionally, it's that seasonal time that the spring property market kicks into life, and this year has proved to be no exception. With the easing of the lockdown restrictions and the return of children to schools, the pace of the market shows no signs of slowing down. Couple this with the fact that the supply of new stock is at an all-time low and the demand very high, then prices locally are remaining very robust. Just recently, we have dealt with a cottage in the idyllic location of Walthamcote, which had 33 viewings over a weekend, which resulted in a staggering 11 offers and an agreed price of 116% of the asking price. Likewise, a townhouse in Rugby also had 12 viewings on a chosen Saturday and resulted in an offer agreed at just over 9% of the asking price, whilst another home in Lutterworth was on the market for less than 3 days, which gives you a clear understanding of the strength of the local market. Indeed, the constant requests from relocating buyers, particularly from the southeast, appear to be driving the local market. The need for more outside space, great schools and to be closer to relatives is a key factor in buyers' decision making, and clearly the Midlands appears to be a highly desirable choice. Rugby clearly has some great opportunities, and with those factors in mind, whilst for now, the occasional commute to London is still less than an hour away. Demand has soared since the advent of the vaccine rollout, and with most businesses beginning to reopen, then consumer confidence is high, and I expect this to continue in the coming months. The government has sensibly eliminated the cliff edge scenario of the stamp duty relief, which reverts back to normal by the 1st of October, and buyers are still making a substantial saving on the much derided tax. Across the country, mortgage approvals are 19% higher than this time a year ago, and the Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors report that the sales to stock ratio is at its highest for a decade. New supply remains constrained, and Zoopla reports that the total supply in 2021 is 13% down on 2020. Buyers and estate agents alike are hoping for an uplift in market appraisals and new listings in the coming weeks to supply the demand, and there seems to be a tentative sign of some new stock coming to the market. By the end of April, we will have a super period home coming to the market with 4.16 acres in Warwickshire, a stunning cottage with an acre of gardens and the most gorgeous views, a high-spec refurbished barn conversion in Northamptonshire, and a village manor house just east of Rugby to show you. That said, I'm confident that we will be selling those homes very soon. If you are looking to buy a home, then you will see all of those on our social media channels first before they hit the portals. And several of our homes have sold prior to being seen on the usual websites like Rightmove. So follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram to see those properties first. With 1 in 9 homes in the UK selling for more than the asking price, this could be the best time to realise your investment in your biggest asset. If you are considering a move now or in the near future, I'd be delighted to hear from you on the details that are about to follow. Please stay safe and well, and we'll see you next month.